Stove's going. Handle is very sticky, pulling that quite hard. You can see the whole door lifting as I attempt to move it. I'm pulling that really hard, it's not coming off. This is the hinge at the bottom. As I pull, it's very difficult to see, but as I try and open the door, the whole thing is bending, twisting and moving. This is the stove after being on for a couple of hours. I'm trying to open the door, I'm pulling it really quite hard. Can't actually get it to open at all now. And that hinge is moving, coming loose. I suspect it might not. There's the door open. Then, as I close the door, that catches on there. If I shove it hard enough, it will shut. And then down till the cam catches. And then it's the same thing. As I try to open it, the whole door is lifting, twisting. Burning beautifully though, but just a real pity about that, because that is not going to last long, unfortunately.